What's good, Monkers? In this video, I'm going to ruin my headset after this, but I don't know if anybody else has made a video like this, but I'll be trying to see how far I can get in Big Scary in 4K resolution. I don't know if it shows on camera, but I cranked my headset to video quality all the way up, and hopefully my headset does not crash, because that would suck. Let's join a code and see how far I can get into the public. Big Scary. That's not a good start. I'm good. Okay, run, go. Oh, my frame rate's a little worse than normal. Maybe I shouldn't have cranked it all the way up immediately. Maybe I should have started low. Alright, next level. Oh, okay, we made it. Alright, level 3. I haven't actually played this new level or remake of the level in a long time, since you know I've taken a bit of a break from Big Scary and YouTube in general. I'd rather if he didn't come around the corner. Oh, thank God. Fuck! Where is he? What? Is he stuck? I don't care. I'm taking my chance. Oh. I don't know if he's stuck. I doubt it. Open up. Oh, wow. The hardest level in the game. Which one do we pick? It looks different. Looks like they changed the texture. I just got a concussion. Basically, my headset's on vent. Fuck. Okay. Well. I hope he's stuck. I hope to God. I like my life very much. It's quite lifeful. Keep running. Don't stop. Fuck. I did it. I don't actually know if he was stuck, but I'm not going back to find out. In the building over there, to the far left. Open. Do. Too. I hope I don't die. I think he's above. Okay, now I'm confused. Where is he? I hope he's above. Or he's on the right. One of the two. Oh, okay, well he was up there. I probably look autistic. No! I don't like this level. It takes too long to complete. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. There's not one on the ground. Oh yeah, there is. One over here. Alright, boys, that's the end of this video. If you want me to do another video like this one where I crank my English is great. Crank all of my resolution down to the lowest. Like this video. If we can get at least even just 5 likes, I'll do it. Bye-bye.